Welcome to my channel Trading IQ, where we will be learning the unlimited nature of the stock market. Myself Shrodha Bhattacharjee, and I'm here to share my experience with you all. Welcome back, guys. Today's video is not going to be much technical, but more on the psychological side of it. Remember what I said in my first video on YouTube that if you want to be successful, you need to have a trading setup as well as a psychological edge. I've already shared my trading setup with you, and I've already created a different playlist for technical analysis, which you'll find on my channel, where you would find the relevant videos to learn my trading setup. Now, remember this very important point, which is said by the professional trading psychologist Mark Douglas, that if you want to be successful, you need to have 80% psychological advantage or psychological edge and 20% of the trading setup or one's methodology, which in my case, my trading setup, which I've shared with you. As far as the psychological edge is concerned, I'm on my journey and I have a long way to go. I'll share my story some other day. So, the first psychological aspect to remember when dealing with the stock market is your risk tolerance. I have already shared the risk of not investing in the stock market because of the inflation rate. Today, I'm going to share the other perspective of the risk of investing. And this is very important and everyone should know because stock market is very risky. Much riskier than any other investment. So, if you want to be successful, you need to know your risk tolerance. And this is very important. How would you do that? So, when you're investing money in the stock market, you need to be prepared to lose even before investing. Now, how much you want to lose, it is totally in your hand, right? For that, you have to predefine your risk and manage it. And how would you manage risk? So, there is a feature in every broker account that is called stop loss. And you totally need to fall in love with this feature because this is the only thing in the stock market that works in your favor, since everything else is uncertain in the stock market as well as in life. And I wish there were a stop loss feature in our life as well. So as we make mistakes, it automatically takes us off of that thing so we can get a second chance with very few mistakes. Now, let's look at the chart of Tata Steel. And as per the stage analysis we discussed in my previous video, the ideal time to buy is when a stock is entering from stage 1 to stage 2. So here on this chart, when Tata Steel was breaking out of stage 1, and if you happen to catch this move and bought it just above the breakout level, you would ideally find a support level below the breakout level. And you should ideally place your stop loss just underneath that. By doing this, you're protecting your investment. This is like insurance, and if it doesn't work out according to the plan, then you have a chance to get out of the stock. Now, how do you actually place a stop order in a broker's account? It's very simple. And I'd also encourage you to watch other YouTubers' video. There are tons of videos available to learn how to place a stop loss in a broker's account, brokers like Zerodha, Upstocks. Let me share how you can use stop loss in Zerodha, which I use. And I've also shared a link in the description, which is one of their vlog where they have explained in detail on how to use this feature on their platform. To place stop loss, you should ideally place a Gtt order, which is called good till triggered. Now, this is one of the feature which is a lifesaver. To place GTT, you simply have to click on the stocks for which you want to set the stop loss and then click on the three dots and then click on create GTT. Once you clicked on create GTT, you will find this interface where you have to select the order type sell and then the trigger type single. Now you have to set two prices here. One is trigger price and one is the actual price, which you would like to set as a stop loss. Try to put the actual price below the trigger price. Now what will happen here? If the price goes below and hits that trigger price, the order will automatically goes into the exchange, and then it sells off at the price that you have set as a stop loss, and you do not need to move a muscle for that. Now you'd have a question in mind. Since we are preparing for an event where our trading setup will not work, that's why we are putting the stop loss, right? So if our trading setup will not work, so why the hell are you wasting your time to learn my trading setup? So basically, all this trading setup, which includes following stage analysis, support and resistance, moving average, volume, etc., would not guarantee you profits. And there is no proven method in the whole universe which can guarantee you 100% success. So, how would you be on the winning side more than often? For that, please keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channel, as it will only motivate me to keep sharing my journey and my strategy. Please also let me know in the comment section if you're finding my videos useful. Thank you guys and have a wonderful day today. I'll see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.